Did come to Hawaii, bunch of shorts, and then all slides. All slides, guys. Man, here for a week, and all I did was just bring a bunch of slides, man. All right, I think I'm gonna wear these today. Let's go with these. The Queen Humanu. All right, that's the name of the mall. Let's go. Let's go. It's like 7:30. Mall closes in 30 minutes. Looks like a lot of the stores are closed, but the doors are open. Is it upstairs? Oh, here. Oh no, they're closed. Google Maps said it's open till 8. This bitch is closed. Oh no. All right, I guess we'll try again later. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Maui. I don't even know what the name of this town is, but I'm gonna try again. It is daytime. I'm pretty sure the mall's open now. Let's go see what they got. Believe the city is called Kaului. I don't know. But yeah, they got a Champs. They got a Lids. That's pretty much about it, to be really honest. They do have a Vans, I think so. But yeah, we're gonna check out these spots, and then we'll hit up a couple Ross. Sneaker life kind of tough out here. Dude got a T-Mobile store. Dude, out of all the services here, T-Mobile's been the best in Maui. Y'all been here, yeah. Think you guys know that? Yeah, AT&T, Verizon, been pretty boo-boo. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's go check out this Champs. I'm so curious if they got anything. Pretty decent sized shop. I already see one full of Travis Scott's on, Mocha. Oh, you got the Travis Scott's on too. They got both the Fragments and the regular Mocha Travis Scott's. All right, let's look. Any deals? Anything? All right, all these are gonna be on sale because these are pretty much the last thing you need here. It's funny that they even have those. Dang, apparently Reeboks get no love out here. Dude got some Iversons. Going for $99 a piece. So $89.99 for that one. $99.99 for that one. Remember, you can use the survey coupons. Hopefully you guys got one or two of those laying around. Dude got some PG5s. Man, they probably don't have too many of these left over. It's a big size. Size 13. 13, look at that price. Okay. Got deals here and there, I guess. Okay. Dude got some KD 14s. Got some Kyrie Infinites or Kyrie 8s. Couple of them on sale. Okay, and then this bad boy here, regular price. Dude got some of these bad boys. Zoom Freak 3s. One on sale, one not on sale. Got some Prestos. Okay. That one on sale for $79 or $70. And $135 for these. This is, I think, my favorite color of the Prestos that I've seen. Love that university blue. Got these too on sale. Okay. Slide collection right here. You would think all their slides sell like crazy. I don't know. Dude got a few things on sale. Got the Hydros right here. Hydro 11 breads. These are freaking fire, dude. Have one of those. I actually brought mine as well. Yeah, that's their slide collection. Got some RSX right here. Not too shabby. These are normally what, 110 or something? Okay. Never seen this colorway of the RSX right here. This is not bad. Not bad. Got some extra faded Puma suede right here. This must have been like right there next to this because this thing is faded. Adidas section right here. There's some sort of pot smoking joke there somewhere, but I'm too tired. Got these. What are these? Kind of remind me of the Marathon 5923s, but no boost. Dude got the Air Max 95s right here. The emojis comes with those little emoji things. That's funny. $100, not bad. 170. These also on sale. So yeah, they don't have much, but they still got stuff on sale when they don't move. Jordan section right here. Nothing. Less than nothing. Dude got some Pumas. This is in the women's section right here. That's funny. And we've been seeing more of these on sale too, the women's. I like the look of these. Look how cartoony. Some RSXs on sale. More up tempos. That's actually dope, dude. That price is money. These are normally what, 160, right? Because this is a men's. I mean, this is a women's, so that's what, 170. Pegasus right there. Do got some Vapor Max plugs going for regular price. Extra bright, extra bright. These are 210 a piece. Okay. I ain't seen one of those in a long time. Holy crap, they still got these, man. Grade school section. They got sales. Got some sales for the women. Not too bad for the kids. And look at this, $70. 50% off. Dang, dude. What the hell? They got that many Air Max Plus? This one's pretty clean, dude. $70 for that. Some Huaraches. A few of them on sale. And then the slippers that I said, hey, just really no need here. That's just funny. Alright, kind of what I expected. Not too much going on. They do have 70% off. That is definitely interesting. A lot of Champs gear here. 70% off these t-shirts. Normally $25. So what is that? What was that? $7.50 for each of these? Hoodies, what you really don't need here. Double XL. $21 for that. That's not bad if you're like visiting and you're going back to like a cold climate. Jordan shorts right here. These are $55. These are actually nice, large. They're short though. Look at how short they are. Holy crap. They have $55. 70% off. What is that? $16? $16.50 I think. They even have hoodies. Why in the world do they have hoodies here at all? This is all the Champs sports gear. Champs sports gear shorts right here. Under $10 a piece. So I think about $10. We've seen these on sale at a few spots. Got the orange ones going for $60. So what, $18? Oh, this is a Champs sports gear one. I thought this was the Jordan one. But this is just the small right here. $18 freaking dollars. Damn, that's... But why do they even have it here? Nobody needs that here. That's funny. So if you're visiting, hey, stop by. 70% off section. You can always check that. More 70% off. But this is all the Champs sports gear stuff. Nothing too crazy. The sweats. If you need sweats, $15. $15 for these sweats. And do got other stuff. Buy one, get 50%. I'm not the craziest deals. Not the craziest deals. Size of this Champs, not too bad. Not too bad. Pretty much a Lakers town here. Look at this, dude. Bunch of Lakers gear. These are the Pro Standard things. Pro Standard merch. This stuff is dope. We got Bulls here. This is pretty dope. The baseball ones. This is fire right here. Dude, look at this. That is fire. Pro Standard merch. Big fan of this right here. Haven't gotten any of these because they go for a good amount. If I see one on sale, maybe. Yeah, $90. If I see them on sale, maybe. But yeah, these are freaking fire. Got the shorts. Fire. And then the t-shirts. T-shirts I think are 80 or something like that. Right? 55. Oh, 55. Okay. Oh, this is the one with the LeBron. Okay, that's not bad. I definitely pay no 55 for a t-shirt, but that's pretty dope. Yeah, that's dope, dude. That's dope. All right, they do got a lids. Let's go see what's up with the lids. Like the music, they got the island vibe going. All right, let's go. They do have an arcade, Fun Factory. That's pretty cool. That looks fun. Do got a GameStop right next to them. Movie theater. This is the biggest town in Maui. Okay. Yeah, right next to them. Do got a lids. This place is small. Are they even? Oh, I was like, are they even open? Yeah, they are open. Okay. Look at this handle. This is like, look at that handle, dude. What the hell? Pretty small lid. Pretty small lids. Okay. There ain't nothing really standing out. Nothing on sale. Man, I love those two jerseys right there. The Hardaway jerseys and the Iversons. Sean Kemp's dope. I'm starting to like a lot of these older ones, man. They got nothing on. Ooh, they got a Niners hat on sale, maybe. Army green, going for $25. Okay. Ooh, I like that. Embroidered in the back. This one also on sale. Pretty dope. Normally, what, $41 down to $25. Doyers hats. These are like the flex fits, medium, large, small, medium. Going for $25. Niners fitted hat. Got a few sizes. Steelers fitted hat. Normally $45. Okay. Doyers hats right there. Oh, now they're showing what kind of hat it is right there. That's funny. These are normally what, $50? Lakers gear, Niner gear, snapback. It's a pro standard though. Pro standard's still expensive as hell. The flex fits. Alright, you got fitted hats here. Classic Celtics fitted hat for $25, normally $45. Snapbacks right here. Okay. Not the craziest selection, but they got stuff on sale because normally all these are $50, so not too shabby. Okay. Better than I thought. Alright, let's go check out. I think this mall is done. I think there's nothing else. Dang, cash only, huh? Yeah, that sucks. So this mall has a bunch of stores, but no real apparel, no sports apparel, no sneakers. Dang, dude. Shit, they got a van store. Let's look around. Let's go. Regular van store. Got plenty of vans in the back. They got any sales? Doubt it. I guess they got skate lows once in a while on sale. Okay, that's the what they use on some of these are hella nice. Normally $70 down to $40, so a little sale. Okay. Do got a ton of skate lows. Most of them go for regular price. Selection if you like Vans, not bad. Bunch of skate highs, like barely anything on sale though. $85. That's kind of the way it works when you live in a small town. Man, these don't look too bad. Pretty comfortable looks. Okay, $120 for these. The Ultra Range VR3s. Never seen those before. Got them in a few different colorways. Damn, like learning about Vans today. Never seen these. Like a Boost type of cushioning. What the hell? Crazy. Even got one of them on sale. This red colorway going for $80. Normally $95. It looks like. This looks pretty dope. $90 for these. The wavies. Okay. I guess these are the ones that one dude copied, right? Like the wavy ones, and they got a cease and desist letter. Forgot the name of those. $70 for these. Normally $85. Okay, so they do got sales here and there, but not much. Okay, what the hell are these? These the Chima 2s. Couple on sale. Okay. And they got some sort of collab right here. Crooked. With Vans right here. Okay. Normally $85 down to $50, so a little bit of sales. Alright, not too crazy. Kind of what I expected though, but alright, let's go check out a few other shops. Alright, we're gonna struggle to find some, but we'll find some. So most of the sneaker shops on this island, they're just like flip-flop shops. They literally have nothing. But alright, let's see what they got at this Ross. Ross is packed with a bunch of clothes. They got a little sneaker section here. Let's see what they got. Whew. Not too promising. It's a size 10, 10.5. Got some guess right here. You can guess who they took the design from. Got some Vans right here, going for $37. Oh, I thought these were some Vans. Nope. Got some budget Adidas right here, some super budgets, some Filas. I've seen this, I don't remember the name of them. $40 for these. Looney Tune brand shoes. $15. SpongeBob and Patrick going for $17. I don't know what brand though. Got some Champion bad boys right here for $40. Alright, checking out the size 9, 9.5. Man, this is rough, yo. Got some Vans going for $40. This is a size what, 8.5, 9? There's a size 7, dang. Got some Stan Smiths. Finally something pretty dope. Compared to everything else here, $45. Size 8.5. Got some Pumas. Going for $43. Is this one of the Friday the 13th Vans right here? Go for $33. Okay, that's actually pretty dope. Alright, that's pretty much about it. ABC store, one of my favorite stores here in Hawaii. Convenience store. They got all kinds of random stuff too, souvenirs and stuff. Fools even got an apparel section right here. And then this is what the sneaker world is out in Maui. Bunch of slides and stuff. Like this is what everybody wears. Got my slides. Man, about to go to the beach, so yeah, look at that. That's the Nike outlet deals right there. Bam. $17. All kinds of food as well, and then the spam musubis. We're gonna grab like 3 of these bad boys. Oh man, so good. Dude, for souvenirs, even t-shirts, not that bad. Look, 2 for $35. This is 2 for $30. Vintage tees, children's tees, 2 for $20. Look at that. And then look at that. Wow, that's not bad. Then you even get a free peep show. Look at that. Get a little free peep show. What's up? Oh, even a clearance section. You know, I gotta check out the clearance section. Got t-shirts, $6 each. Like these ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. You know, 4 for $20, so $5 if you get 4 of them. Hanging loose. This is pretty dope. XL right here. Damn, I should grab some gifts for people, especially for 4 for $20. That is hella dope. As long as they don't see my video and see how cheap I was, that's not bad. Oh, and it's even labeled. Look at that. They no mediums, all larges and XLs. It looks like, huh? Yeah, medium. Oh, there's a small right there. Oh, there's not bad. So they have like a little deli thing right here. Got wings, got corn dogs, empanadas, teriyaki pork. That teriyaki pork looks ridiculously good. Then look, they even got breakfast right here. Dude, that Portuguese sausage is ridiculous. And then fools even got prime rib, yo. Prime rib at the ABC store. That is crazy. That's a fat piece too. Holy crap, look at that, dude. Look at that bad boy. Ooh, she weighing it and everything. Okay. Alright, I think we've been here for like 10 minutes now. Got everything from spam musubis, pineapples, little souvenir magnet. We're even buying this stuff. We forgot to get it at Walmart. There's a Walmart in town, but it's like way far away. And then some snorkel gear. We bought the wrong snorkel gear at Walmart. So, all right, let's go. All done. It's a random assortment of stuff. All right, finally made it to the beach. Yeah, these beaches is different than in California. Love beaches. Yeah, beaches out here way different than California. You can actually see inside. And no waves. Look, like there's like no waves. This is the part I'm at. Obviously, don't like that everywhere, but yeah, no waves in here. It's like crazy. Here at Twin Falls, out in Maui. This place is freaking nuts. Only a 1-mile hike. Private property, which is kind of crazy. Pretty freaking crazy, yo. Inside a cave. Got water coming out the cave and stuff. This is just, man, this place is insane. Never been anywhere like this. Crazy. All right, man, this beach, there's like nobody on it. This is dope. Oneloa Beach. There ain't nobody on it. I actually got some waves. This is our 3rd beach. This is the first one we've seen with waves. It just depends on which part of the island you're at, I think. We went to the beach over there, or the bay over there. That's Kapaloa Beach. And then this is the hidden beach that nobody knows of apparently. And then that one, DT Fleming Beach. Damn, it's crazy how nobody's here. It's like, what, 1 o'clock? Noon or something? Dang.